YouTube channel, and for the people who know me, let people know, plan their trips. Professional TT player, I'm a professional table tennis places, but say unfortunate, but yes, not so fortunate to just follow you. You see the roads, how the landscape part is. It's like you are at home, and I will just be a part-time traveler, and I'll try. I was not so comfortable to come up to this place. So many people who just planning. We all plan to visit places, stay in. I did not have a plan. They ask me when I go to someone on WhatsApp, and then they ask me it would help us, like if we want to plan some trips. I have listened to this. My idea of traveling, the journey. Hi guys. It's me, Jaspreet from Assam, and I have recently started this YouTube channel. And for the people who know me, you know why I have started this channel. Yes, it's for traveling. So I really want to thank all the people. First, I really want to thank all the people who always are encouraging me with my travels, and they always tell me like you should start a YouTube channel, or like you should start vlogging. So yes, it is quite uncomfortable for me, but I have taken this higher step, and I really want to let people know like how traveling feels. I want to take people to those places. I want to help people to plan their trips. So yes, and for the people who don't know me, I'm born and brought up in Assam, and beautiful Assam. So one of the northeast state, and I'm really grateful to be born actually in this beautiful state. So I am a professional TT player. I'm a professional table tennis player. So being a sports person, I have traveled a lot of places. Like we go for nationals, we go for district levels and everything. So I had many opportunities to travel and see places, but I loved seeing places, but I didn't realize that I really had a passion towards nature, towards seeing places, knowing people, meeting people, to see the culture they have and all such things. So slowly, like as soon as I got a job, I was like very sure that I need to travel. I need to follow this passion. So yes, we all are not so fortunate, I would say, or I wouldn't say unfortunate, but yes, not so fortunate to just follow your dreams full time. So yes, but we can take a break. We can take a break from our hectic life, and when you take that break and you visit places and you plan it, for me, journey is the best thing. Like destination is always beautiful, but the journey, you meet people, you talk to people, you know the culture, you see the roads, how the landscape changes from another, how the landscape changes. So I'm really bad at this. Please bear with me. And yes, since this is my first video, I promise I'll get good with it. So yeah, I love traveling. I love the journey, especially like there are many people who just want to, as I would say, like skip to the good part. It's like you are at home and then you skip to the good part and you want to reach the destination. It is not like that. Traveling is all about experiencing the journey. So the journey, I want to show you the journey and then the destination, so that you learn things, and it makes you a better person, I feel. So what I'm going to try is like, see, I'm not a full-time traveler, and I will just be a part-time traveler, and I'll try to share all the offbeat places, also some famous known places which I will travel. And I had traveled actually many places, but I was not so comfortable to come up to this platform and just show where I'm traveling. Or maybe I would say I was quite insecure, because there are so many people who just like, I follow some of them, and some of them are real inspiration for me. But yes, I feel that there are so many in this field, like travel bloggers and full time, who show the places they have such good equipments. They show the views, they show the landscape so beautifully. But there's one thing what I feel is, we all have a unique planning. Every one of us are unique. So I traveled to Ladakh, I went to Nagaland, and then I went to Meghalaya, then Majuli, which is in Assam, the world's largest river island. And then I have been to, I forget the places where I have been. This is the reason I really need to start a YouTube page, so that I would record of where I have been. So yes, like there are many places like I have been, and I have like traveled, and I have been to trekking and exploring new places. So I did not have a planned thing that I would do vlogging then. I wanted to, but I was like, I don't have equipments. I just want to enjoy. I just want to give peace to my soul. I actually travel because it gives me peace. But now, since people encourage me, like that, they ask me when I go to some place. They actually message me on Insta and on WhatsApp, and then they ask me like, how did you plan this trip? Can you please plan a trip for me to this place? Or how did you where did you stay? How did you reach there? And all such things, like, why don't you start a YouTube channel? And it would help us, like if we want to plan some trip, it would give us a idea like that. So yes, I have listened to all of their suggestions, and I have tried to take this big step. So yes, I would slowly bring all the videos, all the clips from my previous travel also, and guide you in some way to the places where I have been. And along with that, I have planned a few trips this year. So I'm going to upload that as soon as I visited. I'm going to show you all the beautiful places, how to reach there and everything. It's beautiful out there, and I really want to take you to that journey. I really want you, like, when you have a weekend off, and then when like employees like us, we just get leaves for few days, and we have a very short period of time, and then we want to cover those places, right? So yes, like I'm going to show you those I'm going to take you to those travels which you can which are offbeat, and which you can just plan it, like, not in much price, like affordable. Yes, I will try my best. And yes, I want you to support me. And for the people who don't know me, I hope you like my work, you like my travels, you like my idea of traveling, the journey. So just, I would say, subscribe and like. I'm very new to it, so I think they say like that: subscribe, like, and click that bell icon, and wait for the video when I upload it. So thank you very much. This is Just Breathe, and I'm signing off now.